Deep beneath Africa's sun-baked soil, a secret waits. Diamonds, born billions of years ago under immense pressure and heat. These gems are crystallized fragments of deep time, pushed to the surface by ancient volcanic forces. Waiting in rugged, remote fields, they hold a fire and brilliance that has captivated humanity for centuries. The journey of a diamond begins as a rough, unassuming stone, destined to connect continents and cultures. Diamonds symbolize love, strength, and commitment, but before they shine, they must be found. This quest drives both massive mining corporations and small-scale operations. The diamond story is about origin, transformation, and the power of nature and human hands. Today, consumers demand to know their diamond story, seeking assurance of ethical sourcing and positive impact. The diamond's journey is now one of beauty, responsibility, and hope for a transparent future. As we trace this remarkable path, we discover a narrative that is as much about values as it is about sparkle. In Africa's diamond mines, miners descend into vast pits and tunnels, extracting diamond-bearing ore with skill and perseverance. Every ton of earth moved brings them closer to uncovering rare crystals hidden for eons. Once at the surface, ore is crushed, washed, and sorted, technology and human expertise working side by side. X-ray machines detect the unique glow of diamonds, but the final selection relies on the trained eyes of experts. Ethical mining is now paramount. Programs like the Kimberley process ensure diamonds are conflict-free and their origins certified. Each stone is tracked, supporting local economies and communities. Security is rigorous, diamonds are sealed, transported in armored vehicles, and handled by a secure chain of custody. This protects not just their value, but the integrity of the entire supply chain. Only certified, ethically sourced diamonds continue their journey to the world's cutting centers. From African mines, rough diamonds embark on a high-security journey to Bangkok, a global gem hub. Transported via specialized air freight, every move is tracked and protected. Upon arrival, armored vehicles deliver the stones to secure vaults in Bangkok's gem district. Here, traders and cutters gather, searching for the fire and character within each stone. This is a global crossroads, where Africa's natural wealth meets Thailand's artisanal skill. The secure, ethical transport ensures prosperity for communities at both ends. It's more than a trade route, it's a bridge between worlds, honoring origins and craftsmanship. The journey sets the stage for the diamond's most dramatic transformation. In Bangkok's workshops, rough stones are transformed into sparkling gems. Master cutters use science and art, mapping each diamond structure to maximize brilliance and value. Lasers and traditional tools split the stones with precision, minimizing waste. Faceting follows, each facet carefully ground and polished to catch and reflect light. A round, brilliant cut has 58 facets, each perfectly angled for maximum fire. Bangkok's artisans are renowned for their patience and skill, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. The final polish gives the diamond its dazzling finish. These craftsmen are true alchemists of light, unlocking the hidden beauty within each stone. Their work turns raw carbon into prisms of brilliance. The synergy of old and new makes Bangkok a world leader in diamond artistry. Here, the soul of the stone is revealed. The journey is complete. A rough African stone becomes a radiant gem, ready for its final setting. Skilled jewelers set these diamonds into rings, necklaces, and earrings, crafting wearable art that connects nature and human creativity. Each piece celebrates life's milestones, love, achievement, legacy. Every diamond carries the story of its transformation, from African earth to Bangkok's workshops to the world. For Bangkok, diamonds are a source of pride, economic vitality, and global reputation. The city's artisans blend tradition and innovation, their work supporting thousands of families. Diamonds leaving Bangkok are ambassadors of quality and artistry. Ultimately, a diamond is a symbol of eternity, nature's wonder shaped by human ingenuity and ethical responsibility. It's a spark of light connecting us all.
The sun rises over Bangkok, casting golden light on skyscrapers and ancient temples. The city stirs. In Bang Rak, the jewelry district, morning light signals the start of something special. Here, treasures are crafted, Small workshops and bustling markets come alive with skilled hands. Artisans prepare their tools, each with a purpose. These are Thailand's diamond cutters, transforming rough stones into brilliant gems. Bangkok pulses with energy. Vendors set up stalls, gems glinting in the early light. Every morning, a simple stone is given new life, ready to sparkle for the world. The journey of a diamond starts with the dawn. Thailand's true treasure isn't found underground. It's in the hands of its people. The country has no diamond mines, but it's renowned for its masterful artisans. For generations, Thai cutters have perfected the art of revealing a stone's hidden beauty. Their reputation for craftsmanship draws rough gems from around the world. The story began with rubies and sapphires, native to the region. Artisans learned to read each stone, cutting to maximize color and brilliance. This expertise was passed down parent to child until the world took notice. Now, even the rarest diamonds are sent to Thailand for cutting. The trust is immense. Suppliers know their stones will be transformed with care. Each diamond is unique, and Thai cutters listen to the stone, helping it find its voice. This is more than a job. It's an art form, a legacy of skill and patience. Thailand's mine is its people, their knowledge, dedication, and artistry. Here, potential becomes reality. The world's rough stones are shaped into symbols of beauty and light. This is Thailand's gift, turning ordinary into extraordinary. The legacy of Thai diamond cutting shines as brightly as the gems themselves. It's a story of ingenuity, trust, and the pursuit of perfection. In Thailand, the magic is in the making. Diamonds arrive in Bangkok quietly, under tight security. They travel from distant mines, protected every step of the way. At secure facilities, each rough stone is carefully checked and recorded. To the untrained eye, they look like cloudy pebbles. But experts see the fire sleeping inside. Trust is key. Suppliers rely on Thai cutters to unlock each stone's potential. The rough diamonds are handed to a master cutter, chosen for skill and experience. Under bright lights, the cutter studies the stone with a loupe, searching for flaws and possibilities. This is a moment of great responsibility. The cutter's plan will determine the diamond's fate. The goal: create the largest, most brilliant gems with minimal waste. It's a blend of science and art, requiring deep knowledge and intuition. The master cutter's judgment is everything. The value of the final gems depends on it. From secure vault to skilled hands, the diamond's transformation begins. Each step is deliberate, each decision crucial. The journey from rough stone to masterpiece starts here. In these workshops, potential is revealed. The first step, seeing what others cannot. The promise of beauty is about to be fulfilled. The master cutter's plan leads to the first, most critical cut. A thin line is marked on the rough stone, a guide for transformation. Today, lasers do the work, slicing with precision through the hardest material on Earth. The laser follows the mark, burning a perfect groove. This modern method is safer and more accurate than the old ways. In the past, a blade and mallet brought high drama and risk. Now technology and tradition blend seamlessly. The artisan's skill remains essential. Machines are tools, but the human touch is irreplaceable. The cutter monitors every detail, ensuring perfection. Once the first cut is made, the stone is divided, ready for shaping. The most dangerous step is over. The diamond has survived its first test. Now other artisans will begin to shape and refine it. The first cut is a moment of transformation, where vision becomes reality. The journey continues, each step revealing more of the diamond's hidden beauty. In this moment, the future gem is born. Now the diamond begins to take its iconic shape through faceting. Facets are the tiny, flat surfaces that make a diamond sparkle. The bruter shapes the stone's outline on a spinning lathe using another diamond. Next, the faceteur cuts dozens of precise facets with a diamond-dusted wheel. Each angle must be perfect. Even a small error affects the stone's brilliance. The artisan uses a mechanical arm for precision. but guides it by hand and eye. The most famous pattern, the round brilliant, has 57 or 58 facets, designed for maximum fire. The faceteur cuts the crown and pavilion, ensuring light reflects perfectly. Thai cutters are known for their intuitive feel, making tiny adjustments for perfection. Hours are spent on a single stone, checking every facet with a loupe. The work is slow, repetitive, and intensely focused. Each facet is a brushstroke in a masterpiece of light. The diamond's true character emerges with every cut. In these hands, geometry becomes art. The diamond is sculpted to dazzle. With all facets cut, the diamond is ready for its final transformation, polishing. The polisher uses a high-speed wheel coated with fine diamond dust to bring each facet to a mirror shine. This step unlocks the diamond's brilliance and fire. The artisan must match the facetteur's work exactly. No changing angles, just perfecting the surface. Each facet is polished one at a time, requiring a delicate touch and years of experience. As the polish progresses, the diamond comes alive. Light bounces and splits into rainbow colors. The gold flawless, smooth facets on every surface. The polisher inspects the stone under bright light, searching for any imperfection. Only when every facet is perfect is the diamond complete. The transformation from dull stone to dazzling gem is finished. The journey of creation ends here. The diamond is now ready to be admired and treasured. In the hands of the polisher, brilliance is revealed. The finished diamond must be graded, its quality officially recognized. In secure Thai labs, independent gemologists evaluate each stone. They use the 4 C's: carat weight, color, clarity, and cut. Carat measures size. Color is graded from D, colorless, to Z, light yellow-brown. Clarity checks for internal flaws under a microscope. Cut is crucial. It measures how well the diamond has been shaped and polished. A perfect cut means maximum brilliance, regardless of size or color. The grader's assessment is impartial and precise. Once graded, the diamond receives a certificate, its passport and proof of quality. This document details every characteristic and guarantees authenticity. The certificate is a promise to buyers worldwide. It honors the skill of the Thai artisan. The grading process is the final seal of approval. The masterpiece is now ready for the world. With its certificate, the diamond is ready for export. Carefully packaged, it leaves Bangkok for luxury markets worldwide. Paris, New York, London, Hong Kong, each gem finds its place in fine jewelry. Thai-cut diamonds are prized for their brilliance and craftsmanship. Jewelers seek them out, knowing their quality is unmatched. The Made in Thailand legacy shines in every stone. Perfect symmetry and polish make setting easy and spectacular. Customers see the sparkle, read the grading report, but rarely know the full story. The journey from quiet Bangkok workshop to global showcase is silent but profound. Each flash of light is a tribute to Thai skill. A diamond may mark a proposal, an anniversary, a celebration. The artisan's work brings joy across continents. From rough stone to symbol of love, the journey is complete. The story of a Thai diamond is a story of patience and passion. Master cutters, faceteurs, and polishers devote hours to each stone. This craft can't be rushed. It demands focus and care. The artisan's dedication is passed down through generations. Each diamond carries the spirit and pride of its maker. The invisible ingredient is love for the craft. Every finished gem is a piece of this legacy. Nature creates the stone, human hands reveal its light. The result is a celebration of skill and beauty. When you see a diamond sparkle, remember its journey. Remember the sunrise over Bangkok and the hands that shaped it. The diamond is more than a gem. It's a symbol of patience, passion, and light. The world's most beautiful things are made with humble, dedicated care.
The sun rises over Bangkok, casting golden light on ancient temples and bustling streets. The Chao Phraya River glimmers, long-tail boats beginning their daily dance. This city of contrasts, where tradition meets modernity, sets the stage for a celebration of beauty and design. Amidst the morning bustle, the Queen Sirikit National Convention Center emerges, its glass facade sparkling in the dawn. More than a building, it's a gateway to a world where the Earth's treasures await. Visitors leave the city's chaos behind, stepping into curated calm and anticipation. Inside, sunlight gives way to a sophisticated brilliance, the atmosphere hushed, yet electric. Bangkok, a global hub for gemstone trading, is the perfect host. The exhibition center, like a well-cut diamond, reflects precision and beauty. It's a promise of wonders to come, a prelude to an opera of brilliance.